Hello there. So January 2024 statistics are out for the greater Orlando area, and I just wanted to walk you through kind of what's been going on in our market. So January 2024 active listings were up 8% over December. We had a total of 55,590. Keep in mind, this is in all of Orlando. New listings were up 57% over December, which we typically will see that if anyone's thinking about listing their property towards the end of the year, they usually wait until the beginning of the year. So we do see an influx of listings in January. Pending sales were up 39% over December, which is exactly what I was seeing in our market. November and December, there were a lot of buyers sitting on the fence waiting to see what would happen with interest rates. And so we did see a huge influx of buyers coming out and getting properties under contract right after Christmas throughout the end of December into January. Listings sold, again, very similar to what we saw. Not much activity was going on November and December. Which also trickled over into January. So it's showing that the number of listings sold was actually down 18% over December of 2023. Actual days on market increased 13%. So we are now sitting on an average days on market of about 54 versus 48 in December. Average sales price is leveling out a little bit. It was down 2% over December for an average price point of $456,537. And months worth of inventory is continuing to creep up. We're now at 5.4. And if you remember, like a balanced market is 6 months worth of inventory, meaning we have, it's right there in the middle. So we're not a buyer's market. We're not a seller's market. We're in a balanced market. So we're creeping up, and I anticipate once February and March numbers come up that we're going to be about that 6-month mark. So what does that mean for you as a seller thinking about selling your house? Couple things that you just need to remember. So this is kind of back in like, gosh, when I started in real estate in like 2015 through 2017, we were in a balanced market. So what that means is you need to have a little bit of patience. You're not going to put your property on the market in most cases and have a full price offer within a week like we've seen over the past few years. But in some areas where there's low inventory, we are still seeing that. So it's going to depend really on your particular community and your particular house. Buyers are being a little more picky since there are more properties available for sale. So they are looking to negotiate a little bit on the price. So it's very important that we price the property correctly from the beginning. And then they're also being a little more picky about the inspection results. So if results are coming up and there's things that they were not aware of, they are asking for some concessions towards inspection repairs, which is all normal. We're kind of just getting back into the normal that we were in, 7 years ago. You also want to make sure that you are choosing an agent to list your home that knows how to market your home correctly. Over the past few years, all an agent really had to do to sell a house was take the listing, put a sign in the yard, and then answer phone calls and go over offers with you. So that's no longer the case. There are things that need to be done in order to market your property correctly, allow it to stand out above, all the other listings that are out there. So if you have any questions in particular on your property or your community, please feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to talk, even if it's just something you're thinking about or just wanting more information on the market in general. I'm happy to help. So until next time, talk to you soon.